Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we have another app review, and the app we are taking a look at is the Podcasts app by Microsoft. Now this should be a built-in app for all Windows Phone 8.1 devices, but in case you don't have it, or if you're on 10 mobile, you can get it from Live Store. It is here as a listing, and you can see official by Microsoft, and it's a pretty good app, and I already have it pre-installed on the Lumia. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at it today. I have it open over here, and it's a very simple app. You basically just have your Now Playing, you have your favorite podcast that you have, and your collection of audio and video podcasts. Though I didn't try a video podcast, I will search for one and try to add it, but I don't think we can do that. All right, now I found an RSS link for a video podcast. So this is some random one that I found online, and let's see if it'll work. I'm gonna subscribe so we don't have to search it up again. So subscribed, and now I have it here. Let's see, error downloading. Let's try another one. Download. So let's see, error. All right, that's not looking too good. Let's try watching one. An error occurred during media playback. That is not great. Okay, get out. So that not working anymore? Probably not. So I think it does have a nice UI. You could try a video podcast of your own. That maybe this one's just broken, but I couldn't find any other random link for a video feed. So if you do have one, try it out. It might work, but based on this, it doesn't seem to be working anymore. That's kind of understandable due to format changes and stuff. But go ahead, feel free to test it on your own, see if that works. Since another thing is that the search over here that you're supposed to be able to just use does not work. You can type in anything like, let's do true crime, and it's not gonna get it because just can't connect to the server. But how you can add podcasts is by pasting an RSS feed into it and pressing enter, and boom, it'll load it up. You got your description, the icon, shows up all the episodes, and then your options here are refresh, select, play, and subscribe. So if you subscribe to it, it'll do subscribing, and based on your settings, then it'll start downloading podcasts. So that icon shows that it's streaming only, but if that icon is not there, it'll show as downloaded. So for example, I'm gonna go ahead and see this has been added, but if I go into here, there is no icon because it is downloaded. And now you can see we have it here. The icons show up, which is pretty neat. And if you go here, you got series settings. You can choose how many episodes you want to download. So you can either stream only, so don't download any, or you can choose, for example, 3, save that, and you'll see they'll start automatically downloading, and it automatically does that in the background as well, even when you're not in the app, which is pretty cool. Then you can press play, and boom, it'll start up, and it's playing, and you got your little icon there, and it'll show up here as well. And if you want to stream something, you can go ahead and just press it like normal. They don't have to be downloaded. So it's gonna go ahead and open that, and boom, it's streaming, and it'll also show up there in the controls when you want to actually use it. So going out of the app, you can also listen in the background. You see it's still playing, and it's good. You can even press on it, it will open up the Podcasts app once more. Go ahead and pause that. But yeah, once again, very simple app. You can see search history shows up for the words you put, but once again, doesn't work. So just use the RSS feeds, which you can actually Google online for some. Go ahead, pressing edit. You can see you edit your favorites, and you can make your own favorite styles by tapping and holding a series and then tap add to favorites. So if you have them in here, then you'll be able to add them to favorites by pressing and holding. So going to settings, you can see only download over Wi-Fi and allow streaming. So you get all that, but just to try it out, let's go ahead, press edit, take away the Windows Central podcast, even though that is one of my favorites. Go ahead and go to audio. You got it here, press and hold, and you can add to favorites, and you can even pin them to start. So we're gonna go ahead and also pin this to start by pressing that, and boom, Windows Central, the podcast is right there, the one that I pinned. And you can go ahead and open it, and when you do that, it opens up the episodes list that you can just go ahead, press play, select multiple, and when you select multiple, you can either delete them, play them, or download them. You can select all, clear all, or even mark them as played, because whatever you have played will be like slightly less white. And for example, I listen to this a lot. You can see that this is slightly less white because I listened to it before. So that's how you know if you listen to it or not. Overall, simple app, but it gets the job done. It is really good. And honestly, I think you should get it, or if you don't already have it, pre-installed. And if you like listening to podcasts, definitely use this. It is really good. Automatic downloads, all that stuff. And good job, Microsoft. It's a good app. So that's the review for today. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye.